Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Mad Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Hello everybody, this is Mad Mick. This video is regarding the Zontes 350T. It's in, for our Spanish viewers, it's in Spanish subtitles. And it's to do the oil and the oil filter change. What the first part of the video will do is an oil change. So you have to do the oil change. But then it will show you how to put the oil back in. Obviously, if you're going to do a filter change, before you put the oil back into the bag, you would change the filter. But the filter side, how to do it is that in the video. In, if you want to change the filter, you know that. This is an easy to do-it-yourself job. Just pause the video and read the subtitles when you need to. But it's very easy to do, and all the quantities except you need. The second only video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to join our journey. If you haven't already subscribed, I'll leave you now to concentrate on the video. With my Mick signing off. I'll see you all later. Bye for now.
Not quite my tempo. Here we go. 5, 6, and... It's all good, no worries. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Ready? Okay. 5, 6, and...
start practicing harder.